Hello everybody. Today we are looking at PocketTube, a cool extension that allows you to manage your subscription in youtube.com. So let's start.
How to get the extension. So first, open the Chrome Web Store and then search for Tube. Pockets. And it starts like this. It's really hard. P O. Here's its PocketTube. And here you can see a video tutorial, but you are already seen a tutorial. Here we can add it to Chrome. I already have the extension, and so now let's learn how to use it. So here, just open YouTube, and then here you normally see something new here. Group name. Just name your group, and it's a group of channels. Just name it. And here you can see subscription groups. Let's click on it. Here we have opened the PocketTube extension. Here you see groups, channels, Patreon. And here you can click on create new group to create a new group of channels, the group name, and here gets the icon, and you can also upload your own icon. Okay, click on cancel now, and you can see all of your recent channels, groups. And once you click on one, you can click on the these channels. You see all of the channels that you have set. Here I can check one, and here maybe in Windows channel, all of the channels that speak about Windows. You better click on this chat first. It's a very great channel, and I can click on channels. I can see all of your subscribed channels, and I can see the group. Here you can click on these buttons to set them their group. Here I can set groups, and I can choose one. I click on this ready button, and here if I go back to the home page, here just wait. I'm gonna go back to the home page. Here I can see a group. Here I have my friends channel, science channels, and here I can play them all, and I can choose another one and see all of their videos. So here, this is how we use PocketTube.
Thank you everybody for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. So see you again.